Today I'm going to walk you through how to use the Find My app on your Apple device. Whether you need to locate a misplaced device, share your location with family, or track an AirTag, we've got you covered. The Find My app is a powerful tool that helps you locate Apple devices, share your location, and even track supported items like an AirTag. It's all about staying connected and finding what matters most. When you sign into an Apple device, Find My is turned on automatically. To adjust or verify your settings, open the Settings app. Tap your name at the top, then tap Find My. Tap Find My iPhone and make sure it's turned on. Don't forget to enable Send Last Location, so you can track your device even if the battery dies. Now let's talk about finding supported items, like an AirTag. Open the Find My app and go to the Items tab. You can select Add Item. Once you add your AirTag or supported item, if it's nearby you'll be able to tap on Play Sound or Find Nearby to help locate it. Turn on Notify When Left Behind to get alerts if you accidentally leave an item behind. To find a missing Apple device, open the app and go to the Devices tab. Select the device you want to find. If it's nearby you can tap on Play Sound. If it's further away, tap Directions to navigate to its location. If your device is truly lost, activate Lost Mode to lock it with your Apple ID and passcode. Let's talk about sharing your locations with friends and family. Go to the People tab and tap on Add, then Share My Location. You can select a contact and choose how long to share. Your contact will get notification and can share the location back with you. Always keep your devices updated to the latest iOS version to avoid compatibility issues. Double check location permissions if an item or device isn't showing up, and use Notify When Found for peace of mind if an item's location is unavailable. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials.